I'm gonna teach you quickly how to make this typewriter effect. Making a new tutorial for each day of the year, day 24 of 365. Select the text tool, let's type something here. Center the text with Ctrl+Alt Home and Ctrl Home. To make the effect, you should open your layer here, go to Animate and select Opacity here. Now we are going to animate the opacity of each letter. Decrease this to 0. Open the range selector. Here you can animate the opacity letter by letter. But to make it to instantly pop out the opacity from 0 to 100, go here in Advanced, open it, and decrease the smoothness to 0. So now the letters will instantly appear. Just make a keyframe for start at the beginning, go forward, increase this to 100, and there you have your typewriter effect. You can also assist this keyframe if you want to. If you want this to end slowly, you can change here the speed graph also. And there you have it. That's all for today's tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya.